So I thought that the Trevor Bauer situation was done and over with. Boy, was I wrong. It's just yesterday, Trevor Bauer filed a grievance against the MLB. And the hearings are supposed to be, or they're supposed to begin on the 23rd of this month. So, what this means is Trevor Bauer submitted a complaint against the MLB stating that he didn't violate any of MLB's policies, which, I mean, he's stating that he didn't violate their policies because he was found not guilty of sexual abuse and rape and everything else that his accuser accused him of. Now, employers and leagues do not have to go off of what the law says or what the judges say. Like, they're still allowed to have their own policies about what happens with sexual assault cases and whatnot. Whether or not the punishment is justified is subjective, and it depends on the situation. Now, in the case of Trevor Bauer, what they put him through was completely absurd. I mean, he missed half a season in 2021 because the MLB put him on administrative leave while the criminal investigation was going on. And then they had the lockout, so they couldn't determine a true punishment. So they just kept extending that administrative leave. And then they handed down a 2-year suspension. 324 games. So it will have been 2.5 years since Trevor Bauer pitched in the MLB from when we see him again. In my mind, this is still a completely unjustified punishment. I mean, it's absurd. This is an absurd punishment. Now, if the MLB wanted to say we're going to suspend Bauer for a year, okay, fine. That's understandable. But 2 years, 2.5 years until Bauer sees, 2 years until Bauer sees the field again. It'll have been 2.5 years since he last pitched. But you also need to remember that the owners of the MLB are a bunch of clowns, and they have one clown in particular that's a really, really big one, and his name is Rob Manfred. And you also need to remember that a couple years ago, when the MLB proposed their new playoff bracket, Trevor Bauer ripped it to shreds and directed all the blame at Rob Manfred. So you just got to remember that these two are in an absolute petty off right now. And that's probably not going to end. I mean, it's basically just who's got the bigger ego and who's got the bigger hatred for the other person. Who has the bigger stick as well. And which in this case, it's Manfred. Unfortunately. Get that guy out of office. But anyways, maybe one day this ultimate clown show that's become the MLB and handling the Trevor Bauer situation will come to an end. Who knows? Not me. I mean, I'm just here to comment. I'm just here to commentate on it. And with that, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked it, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, share this video, share all my videos. For those of you who have been following the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard case, I've been covering that a lot because Amber Heard's been saying some incredibly crazy stuff, just in general. So we've been having a lot of fun with that. Subscribe if you want to see that. And I'll catch you all next time. Bye.